Audio CD 2, Track 7, Unit 3, Subway Directions. Nick and Lisa walk down to the subway platform.
I think we have to go east on the Green Line, and that means we need to get on the train on Platform 3.
We still need to ask for directions.
Here's our train. We can ask for directions after we get on.
Excuse me, can you tell us how to get to the Royal Lion Steakhouse?
Sure, dear. Take the Green Line west to First Street Station and change trains. Get on the Blue Line and ride to Park Street Station.
So we get off at the Park Street station?
Yes, the restaurant is about a 15-minute walk from there.
Excellent. Thank you. See, that was easy.
Yeah, except that she told us to go west on the Green Line, and we're going east.